Okay guys, as you can see, this hack working amazing. What's up YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I got unlimited keys and coins for Subway Surfs absolutely free, safe and online guys, without downloading any mod or anything amazing guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload and type in search Subway Surface. And now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me paste my here. I already copy. Let me click continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our keys and coins amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys and let's see. Does it actually work? So guys, this is hack working perfectly in both Android and iOS devices. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for this, make sure to subscribe. So let's go to the next step. Okay, the next step is to select I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm wait about 1 minute, nothing happens. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Keys and coins are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game. Let's see. Does it actually works? Let's see guys. Okay guys, as you can see, this hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.